What's up, everyone? Today I want to tell you about a platform called Mindrift that claims you can earn money from home by helping to train AI. I'll share everything you need to know to decide if this platform is worth it or if it's a waste of your time. This site is a platform where you complete writing, editing, and annotation tasks to improve AI models. Instead of just tagging images or answering surveys, many of the tasks here involve creating text responses, ranking AI responses, rewriting content, or checking grammar and logic. Basically, you're helping AI systems learn how to sound more natural and accurate in written communication. The ultimate goal of the platform is to create higher quality AI assistants and improve generative AI models. Now, let's talk about pay rate and how much you can make. On their site, they mention that pay rates can range from $20 an hour to $55 an hour. You should also know that for some projects, they may pay per task instead of an hourly rate, and the amount you earn can depend on the complexity of the work. Some projects may pay a smaller amount, but more detailed writing or evaluation assignments can have a higher pay rate. It's important to keep in mind that these pay rates will depend largely on task availability, and you will have to be consistent on this platform. There are some cases where people have earned more when higher quality projects were offered, but just like other AI training platforms, it's important to keep realistic expectations. Now, this is an informative and not clickbait overview, so I won't be like the other YouTube channels that tell you that this is the greatest platform ever that will pay you $350 a day. If you want more honest content like this, then please like and subscribe to support the channel. Now, I have worked on several platforms like this myself, and what I can tell you is that each person's experience can be very different. So some people might make little to no money, and others could have a great experience and make a decent side income. So is this platform legit or a scam? The short answer is that this platform is legit. People do get paid and there's proof of earnings. This platform is actually part of a larger company called Telus. This is a crowdsourced AI training platform that offers opportunities worldwide. Common tasks on this site include image, video, and audio annotation. Examples of these types of jobs include looking at an image or a video and deciding which one you think is better. The ultimate purpose of this platform is to improve AI and machine learning performance. Telus recently received a $72 million investment led by Jeff Bezos. The company said this money is going toward expanding their AI data services in the US and building better collaboration between humans and AI systems. What that could mean for those working on this platform is potentially better task availability and maybe even higher pay over time as the platform continues to grow. Since this platform is part of a larger and more well-known AI data company with millions of contributors worldwide, then it's unlikely to be a scam. Now, what is very common is that you will see reviews online where people will call this site a scam, but this is typically because those users have had a negative experience and had unrealistic expectations. If one of the richest people in the world and other major investors are putting tens of millions of dollars into this platform, then you can be confident that this is a real business. Now, the experience on this platform can vary a lot from person to person. Some users report smooth payments and a steady flow of interesting tasks, while others complain that task availability is inconsistent and that they sometimes get vague rejections or confusing feedback on their work. There are also people who share that the pay feels too low for the time invested, while others see it as decent side cash they can earn from home. So it's definitely not the same for everyone.
Also, if you are simply looking for a remote job that you can do from anywhere in the world on your time, on your schedule, then I definitely recommend checking out FlexJobs. FlexJobs is the #1 site to find remote jobs. There's no ads, scams, or junk. They actually have a team of people that go through each job and make sure that they're not scammy or that they're actually legitimate. And from my experience so far, they really are one of the better websites to check out because they specifically are focusing on just remote jobs that you could do at home. So I've recommended them before. If you haven't checked it out yet, definitely do. I have a link in the description to do that.
So, how do you sign up and get started with this platform? The process is pretty straightforward. You go to their website and choose an opportunity that you'd like to apply to. If you're selected, then you'll need to register and complete some assessments. These assessments are unpaid, but they're required if you want to access the better paying assignments. You will also need to verify your identity before you can start participating. After that, you'll be able to join a project, start onboarding, and get paid for your accepted tasks. Payments are processed once your work is approved, and their payments are processed twice a month. Before you sign up, here are some pros, cons, and other important things to keep in mind. First, the pay rates for some of their projects are relatively low compared to traditional freelance work, so you should think of this as side income and not a full-time job. Second, the availability of tasks depends on where you live, what your skills are, and how well you perform on the qualification test. Sometimes you'll log in and see a bunch of available work, and other times you'll see nothing, which is very typical for platforms like this. And third, some users have mentioned experiencing issues like confusing rejections, limited communication from support, and technical glitches. Now, on the positive side, this platform offers worldwide opportunities and is connected to a major company that has received significant funding. It's also a legit way to earn side cash, especially if you enjoy writing or evaluating text. On the downside, the average pay could be low depending on the task. Also, task availability can be unpredictable, and the review system can be frustrating if your work gets rejected without a clear explanation.
Before we continue, if you are like me, then you are always looking for a quick and easy way to make a few bucks in your spare time. And that is why I love Survey Junkie. So if you want to make a few bucks from your phone, then use the link below in the description to create a free account and start making money from your couch. You can also check out my Survey Junkie review to see how much money I have made.
So is Mindrift worth it? If you're looking for an easy way to earn a little side money while helping train AI systems, then it might be worth trying out. It doesn't cost anything to join, and since experiences differ from person to person, you might find it works well for you. Just make sure you go in with realistic expectations, because this isn't going to replace your main income, but it could be a decent side hustle in your free time. And with the recent investment in the parent company, now could actually be one of the best times to get started.
So that's really what I wanted to share with you today. I'll just say that my final verdict or score of this site would be a 7 out of 10 in terms of it being a good side hustle opportunity. And again, if you find value in honesty and transparency, then make sure to support the channel using the links in the description. And if you can't support, all you got to do is hit that like button. It really goes a long way. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.